How to Make Money with Telegram 2023 Step-by-Step Guide. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about this platform called Telegram. If you're looking for a new way to make money, consider using Telegram, a popular messaging app with over 500 million users. Telegram offers a variety of features that make it an ideal platform for making money. From its ability to share and promote content to its built-in payment system. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make money with Telegram. We'll cover everything from the different ways you can use the platform to generate income, including creating and promoting content, selling products and services, and more. So, let's get started. Now for today's video, we're going to talk about 3 ways that you could use to make money in Telegram. I'm only going to focus on one, but I'm going to tell you 3 ways. The first way is using Share a Sale. Share a Sale allows you to monetize your content that you could have on your Telegram. You would be able to earn sales and earn money from the content that you have on your Telegram. By being an affiliate, you would be able to earn commissions and payments for what you do, for the things that you would do for Share a Sale over here. You would be able to create an account by clicking on sign up over here on the top right and log in over here. You're going to have to create an affiliate sign up by clicking this button over here. Now if Share a Sale doesn't work for you, you can always go with Amazon over here. Amazon has an affiliate marketing program where you could apply and earn money from commissions in Amazon. Basically, you're going to sign up over here and you would be able to recommend their products to your audience, and you would be able to earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to create a group in Telegram. When you search for community limit in Telegram, you can see that you would be able to create a community that has 200,000 members. That is significantly a lot more members than what is allowed on WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, we're going to check it out. In WhatsApp, you can only create 5,000 members per group, which makes Telegram a better choice for what we are going to talk about. And in Amazon, the more people you have on your group, the more chances that you would be able to sell products that Amazon is promoting. And the more sales you gain from the group that you're going to create, the more you're going to earn from the 10% income over here. Now, another way, which is what we're going to focus on today, is the Telega.io. Telega.io is specifically an advertisement website that is built for your Telegram. As you can see here, Telega is a constant flow of orders for advertising on a Telegram channel or bot. This is mainly for Telegram only. It's basically going to add an advertisement to your channel, and the more people in your channel, the more people you have in your group, the more you will earn. As you can see here, I am currently in Telega.io. You can simply go here and make sure that you're going to select channel owner over here, because for advertiser, when we click this, it's going to change your website. It's going to offer a different information, because for this section, you are the one who's going to create the ad and going to pay people to advertise your ad. As you can see here, this is the different ways for the advertiser section on Telega.io. Now for the channel owner, this is basically us being the channel owner of a Telegram group. We will be able to see different information. As you can see here, 2 orders appear on the ad exchange every minute, $500 average income from selling advertisement in channels per month, and 1,000 new projects appear on exchange every week. Scrolling down, you would be able to see like a calculator over here, where you will be able to calculate how much you would earn depending on how many people is in your Telegram group. As you can see here, we have number of subscribers. The default set is 50,000. You would be able to earn $1,000 from having 50,000 channel members, and the lowest is 100, which is $3 estimated income over here. The more members you have, the higher income you will earn. As you can see here, as I scroll up to the number of subscribers, you would be able to earn more and more money and the maximum is 1 million subscribers. Basically 5 channels or 5 groups in Telegram, and you would be able to earn 20,000 on revenue per placement over here. And over here we also have topics which has different values. We're going to set our subscribers to 45 for the meantime, so we have 914 estimated income. And you could click on topics over here, and you would be able to see the different topics that you could have for your Telegram. As you can see here, there are different sections, and each one of this costs different. As you can see here, it significantly dropped our estimated income because we chose fitness. We could choose fashion, it's going to rise again. Education is going to lower. Economy, not that much. Directions and channel and bots, not that much, very low. Computer science, 141. Blogs, 165. And you're simply going to look for a topic that you like on your group over here, the topic you're going to have for your group. And I suggest that you check this one by one to find the most profitable topic. As you can see here, trading is very high. Sports is very low. Science is low. Recreation and entertainment is not slow. Pets and animals a bit higher than the others, 133. There's also motivation, which is a bit low. Job listing, humor and memes, and a lot more. You can simply check them out one by one. The highest one is airdrops right now. And you can simply click on add catalogs over here, and we would be able to sign up and create an account to Talaga. And when signing up, you would be able to see more information about Talaga. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on sign up. And after signing up or signing in, we would be able to see this page over here. Right now, as you can see, we are a channel owner. We could check out our channels and chat over here. We would be able to manage our different groups in Telegram directly in this section so that we would be able to have an easier time. On here on the left side, we could see the status like all, active, inactive, on moderation section over here. You could send the link over here to confirm your email to add channels to catalog. This is like a confirmation for your account creation. And you could click on my bots over here, and you would be able to see the different bots that is available for you. We would need to confirm our email before we could add, so we're going to check this out in a few seconds. We're going to click on send code, just like that, and you could also check out my few offers. So now we're going to check out and verify our account for a bit. And as you can see here, this is our confirmation email. We're simply going to click this, and we will be able to verify our email and fully create our account. And just like that, now we're back here. In this section, we will now be able to add channels over here by clicking this. You would be able to add the channels that you have in Telegram or any channels that you have created. And simply over here, you could upload your channel image, your channel or chat link over here, your chat title. You could do this on whatever. You could also choose what you're adding if you are adding a channel or a group. The theme over here, what we are talking about earlier, what we discussed, the airdrop is the highest. And you could add descriptions over here, the language, the sex ratio, you could have it over here, the placement format, the render discount, source of your subscribers, and many more. After inputting all the required information, you can simply click on add over here, and you would be able to add that specific channel into your Talaga.io, where you would be able to monitor it with ease in this section. You could also click on my bots over here, and you can add your first bot over here, and you can start earning. By clicking on add a bot, you could link and add link over here for your bot, and you could also add your bot name, the description over here. You could upload an image, choose the subject, language, date checked, active users, price for all users, minimum order, and price per day over here. Now, to get people to join your group, you can the simplest way is to ask your friends, your family members, or anyone you know in the community to join your group and add other people that they know. And they don't need to do anything. They simply need to be in the channel and be active. Not active in a sense that they have to talk to each other, but they have to be active with their account. They have to be using that account in a daily basis or weekly basis so that their Telegram account won't be deactivated. Just make sure that they are within the group and not being deactivated. Another way that you could do this also is by going to Reddit and like looking for the specific topic that you are going to select. For example, earlier we saw different topics that we could choose, and you're simply going to go to Reddit, and for example, you chose arts and craft. You could go to Reddit and like go to a Reddit page that focuses on arts and crafts, and you can invite people from Reddit to join your group so that you would be able to start an audience and start a community with Telegram. Over here also you can see the different Telegram channel catalogs. You will be able to see the different channels that are currently earning. As you can see here, you have 2,684,000 over here. They have 186k views, and what they are earning is $99.99. Over here, they also are earning $134.40. For Netflix, they're earning $36.00, $78, $80, and so on and so forth. Now you're simply going to follow the steps that I have taught you by doing the things that you need to do, and you would be able to start creating money with Telegram. Although not that much, you would need to work very hard to build up your channel so that you would be able to start earning large amount of monies. But I believe that it would be a great sideline or a side source of income for you, because you would just need to let it be. You're not going to manage a lot of things, and I think it's a great way to earn money. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.